Hello everyone! You're watching Tasty and Easy with Anna. Today I'll show you a very quick and delicious breakfast. It takes just about 5 minutes to make. And it looks so appetizing that both your man and your kids will happily eat every last bite and say thank you. Chop a bunch of green onions. You can also use parsley, dill, cilantro, or spinach instead. So just choose whatever you like most. Crack a couple of eggs into a bowl, add salt, add the greens, and mix well. Next, take some sandwich bread. You can toast it in a toaster, or if you don't have one, toast it in a pan greased with butter. Place a pan over heat, grease it with vegetable oil, pour in the egg mixture, and immediately place 2 toasted slices of bread right into the eggs. Cook over medium heat with a lid on until the eggs are no longer runny. They don't need to be fully cooked. The main thing is that they set. While everything is cooking, slice 1 tomato into rounds. A regular medium-sized tomato is perfect. Go back to the bread. Flip it over and spread ketchup or any tomato sauce on top. This step is optional since we're adding tomatoes anyway, but with ketchup, it turns out even tastier and more interesting. Place sliced cheese on top. Processed cheese slices work best here. They melt faster. Add the tomato slices. If you like, you can also add ham or sausage, or finely chopped fresh peppers. That part is totally up to you. Place another slice of cheese on top of the tomatoes. Fold the edges of the eggs inward so everything looks neat and is easier to eat. Place another toasted slice of bread on top. That's it. Remove from heat and serve. Crispy toasted bread, a juicy, cheesy tomato filling, and eggs. It's incredibly delicious. So make sure to try it and enjoy your meal in advance. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Tasty and Easy with Anna. See you next time.